Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me DOOGEE X95, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this device. So firstly, you need to open the Play Store because you have no pre-installed feature to record calls on this device, and you need to sign in into a Google account. Enter your email, then you need to enter your password. So wait a while and enter your password. Click next. Great, after you will log in into the Google account, open Play Store again. Then find here in the Play Store Cube ACR application. Open it. Try to open Play Store again. Then try again to find Cube ACR application. Find here Cube ACR. And click install. Then click open. Click next. Grant. Hello. 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 Choose Enable App Connector. Find here Cube ACR. Click OK. Hello. Choose OK, go eat. Hello. Choose no thanks. OK, go eat. Click on the cross in the top corner, and great! Now all your calls will be automatically recorded using this application. So just call to someone and check this application to check your recordings. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!